fasting is very, very important. Lankanam Parama Aushadham. There are three types of Lankanas. One is not eating, another Lankanam is not speaking, another is not thinking. Not eating is Upavasam, fasting. Not speaking is Maunam. Not thinking is Dhyanam. So, if Upavasam is very good, Maunam is better. If Maunam is better, Dhyanam is best. That is the best Lankanam. The great principle in India is Lankanam Parama Aushadham. Param means ultimate. Aushadham medicine. If any problem there in the physical body, immediately fasting should be done. Mahatma Gandhi ji used to fast 1 day for week and Maunam also. And we don't do that. That's why we are not Mahatmas. With Dhyanam, you become Paramatma. Dhyanam is ultimate Lankanam. No thinking at all. Chumma iru. Without any thinking, without any analysis of the human situations. Swamiji, meditation is integral part of nature cure. Meditation means back to the nature of the soul. Body has got a root, mind has got a root, and soul has got a root. Body's root is mind, mind's root is soul. So when you go to the soul's root, you have got to the body's root and also the mind's root. If you catch hold of the Prime Minister, you have caught hold of the Chief Minister and also all the collectors. So the Prime Minister is the soul. So in meditation, you go to the source of the soul, very source of the soul. Meditation is the most important nature cure process. The nature cures you. Your nature cures you. There is no other medicine. See, in nature cure, there are so many things are there, like big Himalayas. How many mountains are there in Himalayas? So many. So in nature cure, so many methods are there. But in Himalayas, the highest is Everest. Meditation, Anapanasati is Everest. Your Himalayas, your nature cure should include Mount Everest, Anapanasati. Mud bath, water bath, sun bath, leaf bath, all these baths are very, very important, Swamiji. Back to nature. That is the principle. So, fasting is very, very important. Remember this point. In the year 1996, Swamiji, I did not open my mouth for 1 full year. I gained so much energy because of my fasting. Lankanam. No talking at all. Avatar Mehat Baba did not speak for 45 years. He never opened his mouth. What a great Lankanam is it. And Ramana Maharshi never used to think. He always used to say, find out who you are. That's all. For any problem, find out who you are. That is the remedy for the problems. Human thinking is very, very futile. Ramana Maharshi said, no more human thinking. Find out who you are first of all. You are that. Tattvamasi Shvetaketo. Where is the question of thinking? Petty thinking. Useless thinking. Why we are thinking unnecessarily? Chumma iru. Without thinking, without analysis. That is meditation. That is Lankanam, Parama Lankanam. Dhyanam is Parama Lankanam, Parama Aushadham.